Okay, you are going to be printing off 3 worksheets. One is doing color theory. This is a mixing chart. So what you'll do is yellow, and then you'll go down to yellow. This one would be yellow, orange, here to yellow. So you're going to be mixing it 50-50, and same way throughout. So with here, you'll go purple, and then yellow, and then this was going to be purple and orange, this one's going to be red and orange, and then that is going to be a solid purple. So, and then over here, you're going to be doing white, black, and brown, mixing with these colors. So this row right here would be green with white, black, and brown. So the next one is color pencil techniques. Now, one thing I'm not sure if you know this word, burnish. Burnish is where you are pressing hard with the pencil. All right, so that's what that is. So you're going to create a value scale with 8 values using black, gray, or white pencils. All right, now if we don't have a gray, which I don't think we have, you can use your pencil. Just regular pencil. Do not use the ebony pencil, just use a regular pencil. This one is you're going to create a value scale with the color blue, varying pressure, burnish with white for the light areas, and then switch to burnish with blue as it gets darker. So you can go through here, read what you need to do. This one section down here is talking about complements. So this is going like red and green are complements on the color wheel because they are across from each other. And then you're going to be doing 2 more. So you could do purple, yellow, blue, and orange. And on this one is where you're going to be making a color wheel. Now you will have to mix this, the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet or purple. These are going to be colors that are straight from your color pencils. The red, violet, the intermediate, you are going to have to mix those yourself. So that means you're going to use 50% yellow, 50% orange. Then you're going to do a tint, and then you're going to do a shade with that. Then you're going to list at the bottom primary colors, secondary colors, intermediate. What do you add to a color to tint it? And what do you add to a color to shade it? So you're going to have to print all these out. And this is an example of what you're going to be doing. Now, the way that you need to do this is, see how I'm holding my pencil? I'm almost at an angle where I'm not using the point. I'm using the angle and my hand is far away from, I'm not doing this, okay? Now, I've also found, based on experience, is that you can switch your paper around so you get an even coverage. Now, do not think that going through and just coloring this all red and then adding the other colors on top is going to work. It will not. Okay, so you need to take each one of these individually. This one you are not burnishing. Burnishing is where you take the color pencil and you add lots of pressure to it. Not enough pressure to break the lead, but it is a solid mass of color. Now, it will get to a point where you're not able to layer any more color on because wax will build up. That's wax from the color pencil. It is going to build up and prevent you from adding any more color. So if you're doing this and this happens where you are just adding color, but you think you are, but it's actually not happening, you've pressed too hard. So you just have to remember that this needs to be light touch, yellow and purple. So I'm going to put yellow down. And be neat about this. there's no reason for you to be going out of the lines crazy. I mean, I did some here, but you don't want to just cover your paper with color. And you want to do each box individually. And I will know if you do not. Okay, so this is my violet. So I'm going to put this right on top, lightly on the yellow. I'm going at all different directions. Now I'm going to put down a layer of purple, and then I'm going to go back with the yellow and put it on top because it is a lighter color. And one thing with mixing complements, you will find out, is that they become very muddy. The more you mix, the more muddier it looks. And this is the only two colors that you're supposed to be using with this worksheet. So like this right here is going to be purple and orange. This is going to be purple and red, and then purple and purple. So it's going to be a solid color of purple. But mind your pressure with your pencil. That is going to cause problems for a few of you. But if you just pay attention to where your hand is on your pencil, farther away it is, the lighter your pressure is. Okay? Now this one, like I said, this is wanting you to burnish, so you're going to be pushing hard. Each one is going to be individual. Don't do this, okay? Because I won't even accept it. So, and I can tell. Okay? If it says gray, remember you're going to use your 2B pencil. And if you need, I have more. Don't use your nice ebony pencil or charcoal pencil. Don't use these. Okay, just regular pencil where right here where it says gray. Okay, and this is for your color wheel. You're going to add the color there, you're going to mix white with it, and then you're going to mix a darker color. Doesn't necessarily have to be black. It can be just a darker color. So you could mix it with blue. You do have black and white, and I really hope that all of you did look to see if you have all your color pencils. So, and if you don't, I have a extra box up here of used pencils that's just what we have. Okay? So this is due on Friday. No, I will not accept it late because we are going to go ahead and start the shoe project on Monday. And this is just to help you practice to where we can move on without any issue. Okay? So let's go ahead and get busy. If you need to print, please print. And that's it. Okay, guys, thanks.